Welcome to Tracker, a collection of videos that tell you all about our travel and adventure. Today we will visit our home on wheels, HungryWheels. I'm now in the kitchen area. The kitchen area has several mechanisms to prevent drawers or cabinet opening when we are in off-road. This is how the handle opens a drawer. Inside, as you can see, all the plates and glasses are securely stored. Here you can see it. In addition of the three burns, sinks and drawers, we also have a combination of microwave that also function as a traditional oven, and also a refrigerator and a freezer. I should also take this opportunity to introduce you Miss Piggy, my assistant, and continue by explaining that behind these doors is a utility room which houses the miele, which is an integrated washing and dryer machine, and here is also the vacuum cleaner. Above you will find a compartment where my husband, as usual, does not put things away, although I have asked it to do it so many times. But we find some other useful food storage drawers that are especially convenient for our canned goods. While I'm in the bed area, I want to show you a technical feature, how the HungryWheels heating works. Located under the mattress is a heating coil in which hot water circulates from the webasto. In a similar manner, for example, in the living area is heated operated by this knob heater, while in the bathroom there is a heater towel rail which keeps the shower area warm. I am in the bed area and I want to show you how the screens works. There is a mosquito netting that protects us from the insects when the windows are open. Scrolling up, the screens becomes a blackout blind for the night. These are magnetized, can be open like this. This bar allows you how to move the windows and select your preferred position. You can fix it in the middle position or open the windows completely. Or as you can see, there are two hooks that lock the position. In the sleeping area, there are cupboards which hold all our clothes, and two night reading lights. Moving to the bathroom area, you can see Hogan and Nikita have arrived to help Miss Piggy. The bathroom is equipped with a ceramic toilet, just like in our ordinary house. A shelf with sink and two bathroom cabinets where we put shampoo, conditioner and soap. Moving in the shower where we have a lot of water, thanks to 600 liters of water in the two water tanks. In the evening, when I write my diary, I sit here on this comfortable sofa in front of the sliding table, which is equipped with a series of gears that allows you to rotate, move, and even lower the table. On the red wall that I especially choose are installed like three little jewels, three monitors which are connected with cameras that show the area outside the truck but also operate as our computer and television. A discrete electronics equipment area for our decoder, computer and printer. For more technical issue, I will hand you over to Davide.
Hello guys, this is a technical area. The first panel controls the electrical power, including the solar panel. The second panel controls the automatic satellite dish. This is a normal household network connection. This is an iPhone that we use to listen to music. This is a 3G router that uses a USB stick that is connected to other available Wi-Fi signal. That's all.
You are forgetting that things that always sounds alarm.
Okay, this is an anti-smoke and gas sensor, which is always going off and, my opinion, is useless. This is the heart of our apartment. Here we have all the switches that control the water pump and the disposal wastewater, as well as the water heater, heating and other electrical items. This is all the fuse, the manometer of the water level, and that is the current regulator. A fantastic plexi cover protects everything for a simple reason. Our dog tail it, the switch and on and off.
When the water is hot, as here in Morocco, fortunately we have air conditioning. Using the control panel, which has a sensor inside, we can adjust the temperature. And if instead of Morocco we were in Siberia and the heater is not regulated, we can use this machine as an additional heater. I hope that you enjoyed the presentation of HungryWheels and that you found this video interesting and informative. Miss Piggy and I wish you all the best.
I am here, bye!